Have you ever wondered why volcanoes erupt, spewing lava and ash into the sky? These fiery mountains have long been a source of both fascination and fear. They stand as testament to the Earth's raw power, and their eruptions can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Volcanoes are one of nature's most compelling enigmas, shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood. They're not just mountains that suddenly explode. They're complex geological phenomena, and their activity is intertwined with the very fabric of our planet. They inspire wonder, yet they also inspire fear. Their eruptions can change landscapes, affect climates, and shape the course of human history. But why do they erupt? What forces are at work within these fiery giants? And how can understanding these forces help us predict future eruptions, potentially saving lives? The importance of understanding how volcanoes work cannot be understated. So, strap in and prepare for a journey to the center of the Earth. Now get ready to delve into the Earth's crust and explore the inner workings of a volcano. A volcano's life begins deep within the Earth, in a place called the mantle. Imagine a sphere, sliced into layers like a giant rocky onion. The mantle is one of these layers, nestled between the Earth's crust and its superheated core. This is a world of unimaginable heat and pressure, and it's here that our story starts. The mantle's intense heat causes solid rock to melt, forming a thick, molten substance known as magma. Imagine a pot of soup on the stove, the heat causing it to bubble and churn. That's what's happening in the mantle, a constant simmering of magma. But magma doesn't like to stay put. The tremendous pressure of the Earth's layers pushes it upwards, forcing it through cracks in the Earth's crust. As it reaches the surface, it cools and hardens, forming a mountainous cone. Thus, a volcano is born, waiting for the perfect conditions to erupt. So, what triggers a volcanic eruption? It's a fascinating interplay of pressure, heat, and the composition of the Earth's crust. Picture the Earth as a pot of soup, constantly stirred by the forces of plate tectonics. Deep within this cauldron of activity is a magma chamber, a reservoir of molten rock and gases. It's this magma that fuels a volcano's power. As the Earth's plates shift and collide, magma is pushed upwards, filling the chamber. This magma is filled with dissolved gases, primarily water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. As the magma rises, the pressure decreases, and these gases start to bubble out, like opening a can of soda. The buildup of these gas bubbles creates an immense pressure inside the magma chamber. Now, the volcano is like a pressure cooker on the brink of bursting. The pressure from the gases and magma becomes too much for the Earth's crust to contain. And then, with a formidable force, the volcano erupts. Volcanic eruptions can be broadly classified into two types: explosive and effusive. Explosive eruptions are dramatic, violent events that blast a mixture of magma, now termed as lava, ash, and gases high into the atmosphere. The most famous of these is probably the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, which buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. On the other hand, effusive eruptions are less dramatic but equally fascinating. In these eruptions, magma escapes through the volcano's vent and flows slowly down its sides as lava, creating new layers of the Earth's crust. Remember the images of slow-moving rivers of lava from Kilauea in Hawaii? That's an effusive eruption. Whether explosive or effusive, eruptions discharge a mix of materials: lava, ash, and gases. These materials not only reshape the landscape, but also impact the Earth's climate and ecosystems. After an eruption, the volcano may go dormant, but it's only a matter of time before the process starts all over again. The Earth's fiery heart continues to churn, and the cycle of birth, eruption, and dormancy perpetuates the life of a volcano. Why should we care about understanding volcanoes? Well, let's delve into the impacts of volcanic eruptions. They have a profound effect on our environment, climate, and our lives. Imagine the colossal amount of ash and gas that a volcano spews into the atmosphere during an eruption. This can alter weather patterns and even impact global climate. On the human front, eruptions can lead to loss of life and property, displacement of communities, and long-term health issues from inhaling volcanic ash. It's not all doom and gloom, though. Volcanoes also bring benefits. For instance, the ash and lava they release break down over time to form incredibly fertile soil. This soil is why regions near volcanoes often become agricultural hotspots. And let's not forget, Many of the beautiful islands we adore today were formed by volcanic activity. So volcanoes, while dangerous, play a crucial role in shaping our world, and understanding them can help us mitigate their risks. Today, we've journeyed into the heart of a volcano. We've explored the birth of these magnificent natural wonders, their fiery eruptions, and the profound impacts they have on our planet. We've delved into the mechanics of how pressure builds up over time and triggers an eruption, and how this process shapes the world around us. This journey has truly been a testament to the dynamic nature of our Earth. Next time you see a volcano, you'll be able to appreciate the powerful force